Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're at Riverstone today. We are gonna have a CAF civity that is gonna pass to Riverstone. He'll be doing a test run, so yeah. Say hi to Mr. Trent.
Bro, we have the same case.
As always. There it is. A17 departs at platform number... I don't remember the platform.
Oh, slow down, mate. Slow down.
Where's some kind of honk?
Holy
Jesus!
shit.
Holy
Oh
crap!
my God.
That was a country honk.
Oh.
Holy crap! Yo. Yo. Holy crap.
Okay, you gotta hold.
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna do Angus as well.
Yeah, he's on the first carriage.
And it's all
Yeah. Give me another one. Hey! Thank you. Jada, get out of my...
Oh shit.
CAF civity is approaching platform number 2, heading its way to Riverstone.
What's up, guys?
Yes.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transport City. Today we have a captivity.
As always.
Yep. Let's see it approaching. This is the greatest train I've ever seen.
Much better than I think these are better.
Go like that.
Oh, that's European type train. Oh my gosh, look at that beautiful.
Wow.
Is it gonna honk? No, it's not. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Transport City. Today we have a CAF civity.
Oh my
I
god.
just restarted the video like 3 times.
Yeah, you did.
Anyways, apart from that, I'm keeping this with my wallpaper on my phone while I download it from my laptop. Yo, no way. The accessible photos that I'm taking. Oh, look at that view.
R2.
R2.
It's a beautiful looking train.
8:36 now departing Forest, North Sydney service. The next stop is Schofields, followed by Quakers Hill, Marion, Blacktown, then all stops to Parramatta, followed by, I don't know the stops.
Alright, here we go.
Hey. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, do it. Yo!
Yeah, no. Whoa. Damn, that's a new one. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and like our favorite video. I'll catch you all next time. It's goodbye for now. Say goodbye, guys.